that there may be goodness at you. When I say that, I'll say it in my normal speed. Gramahat. Gramahat. So all you hear is ga, ra, ma, at. And that's what you'll hear. Gramahat. Gramahat. But you must write gramahagat. The other question was there, the word for email. Shola, 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 shola. Re first. Re first. Re first. Shola, re first. What's your telephone number? Ken, look back to the sea. Ever. Rohan. Ro, ro, ro. No R sound. Rohan. Rohan. Ra, ra, ra. That's agat. Okay, kapan one.
Kapan one.
Ra kapan.
Ra kapan.
Ra kapan.
Ra kapan.
Ra, 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 ra. Ra kapan.
Ra kapan.
I hear an R. There's no R sound, guys. Ra, ra kapan.
Ra kapan.
Come on. Tri kapan.
Tri kapan.
Kara kapan.
Kara kapan.
Kug kapan.
Kug kapan.
No CH. Kug kapan.
Kug kapan.
She kapan.
She kapan.
Shacht gapan.
Shacht kapan.
Ocht gapan.
Ocht kapan.
Ni gapan.
Ni kapan.
Ze gapan.
Ze kapan.
Yeah.
How do you say 10 cups?
Ze. Ze.
Je.
Ze. 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 It's really, it's vibrating, isn't it?